Hey mini enthusiasts, how are you doing? Welcome back. I hope you're well and I hope you're having a great day. So you're probably thinking, what's going on? This is a bit early for a video on a Sunday and it's not actually on a mini. I'm here to sort of make a bit of an announcement, but don't worry, there is still going to be the video going out at 6:30, so tune back in for that. It's a cracker this week. I really enjoyed making this video. So yeah, I've come on just to let you know I'm starting another YouTube channel. The reason for doing that actually is your feedback. So a couple of weeks ago, I've got to the point actually where I'm struggling to find content for the minis. Obviously, as you know, the Racing Green is sitting there for the engine and there is progress being made there, so don't worry. The Racing Green progress will commence very, very soon. Yeah, I struggle for content sometimes, so I do make videos, or I had started making videos on the TVR, Fifi, the Fiat 500 and that sort of thing, and I actually put out a community post just to get your feedback and see what you thought. I thought everyone would just like videos regardless, because at the end of the day, I watch YouTube a lot of the time as well, and I watch a lot of people that do car reviews, and every now and again a car will come up. It's not something I'm interested in and I just don't watch it. But so I asked your opinion. I actually put a post on saying I'm back to doing midweek updates. TVR or Fifi the Fiat 500, you decide. Cooper S update coming on Sunday. And 61 people voted, and to my surprise, 54% of people said they'd rather have nothing. They said, I'd rather wait until Sunday for a Cooper S update. And then only 30% of people said they'd want to see the Tamora, and 16% of people said they'd want to see the Fiat 500. So listen, I hear you loud and clear. The message to me is Classic Mini Workshop should remain just a specialised classic mini restoration and repair channel. So that's what I'm going to do. Like I say, I appreciate your feedback and I think it's important to make sure the channel is delivering the sort of content that you want to watch and you're not getting bombarded with spam stuff that doesn't really interest you. So I've started a second YouTube channel. It's called Rev and Restore, and on that channel will be everything non-mini. There'll probably be some bits that I don't usually do in videos. There's stuff I get involved in which I don't film because it's non-mini, and sometimes I think it would make good content and the people of the internet or of the YouTube world would be interested, but maybe not if classic minis are just your thing. So I'm going to start uploading content on there. There's actually 3 videos on there. I've put 2 of the old Tamora ones on there, and there's a new video on the Tamora which I made last week. So yeah, it's called Rev and Restore. I'd really appreciate it if it's something that's interests you. Please go over and check it out, because I'm starting with 0 subscribers, so that means it's not monetized. God, the YouTube millions I will lose from not putting videos up. So don't worry, I'm not a poor man. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for listening to me, and I do appreciate your support, and as I say, I do really care about what you think. So yeah, I got the message loud and clear, and I will keep the non-mini stuff off the Classic Mini Workshop channel. So hope you have a good day, and yeah, look forward to the video later. It's something I really enjoyed making this video.